see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning! Today is December 15 and mag-breakfast kami ng dawan. Yung binili namin na ang ingay, naglalaro yung mag-aama doon. It's Saturday, so it's Saturday. What's this, Baba? What's this? Spicy. Okay. Gawan ko muna ng tinapay si Kuya. Gusto ni Kuya nito. At saka na, lagyan ko ng Fritz. May binili kami kahapon na Fritz. Yes, Baba. Yes. Ang oily ng mukha ko. Naglagay kasi ako ng moisturizer. Hoy, be quiet. Oh. Hindi niya ako marinig. So, mamaya na lang. Gawa mo ng breakfast. Tingnan niyo itong dalawa. So, eto na yung...
Hi guys.
Ito yung Yeah, kay Sak ano lang, butter lang. Ayaw niya maglagay na. Wait, Mommy, can Mommy talk?
Yes.
Kay Sak, butter lang. Ayaw niya nang magpalagay ng ladies choice. Ayan kay Kuya TJ, kay Holly, and this is mine. And maglalagay ako ng, ito yung binili namin kahapon, yung Fritz. Hindi ko nalagyan ng sauce kasi meron ng ano, ladies choice. No, this is Kuya.
I don't want fruits, okay? I just like a
But you do like your Fritz.
Yeah, but
No, this is Kuya Sak don't like Fritz. Okay. Here, Sak.
I don't want fruits.
Oh, you don't like it. You don't.
That's one.
Here. Well, what you gonna say now?
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, honey.
Honey.
what's that?
This is yours. Butter and what you gonna say?
Thank you.
And Holly. Si Holly, eto nag-ano na siya, nag-cereal na pala siya kanina, binigyan ni Jan. And ayan kay Holly. Okay, you can eat na, Holly.
Mom, you know that.
Ayun na sila. Ako kakain na rin ako.
Yeah.
Si Iam?
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Remember Dad ate a bread and his tooth. His tooth hurt.
Who?
Him when he bought a sandwich.
Who, Daddy?
And he hit his teeth.
Because that was sharp. The toast, I think.
Yeah, that's what company.
Yeah, kay Kuya meron ng ano. Let me see, Kuya. Yung ipin niya, ayan o, malapit nang matanggal. Yan ang, if ever, yan ang pinakaunang
Sneaker.
yan ang pinakaunang
Seed got
maalis na ipin niya.
Mom, the seed got it in this. Mommy.
Yes. You did alright, Baba. Okay, eat na.
I want to eat Daddy.
Kuya Sak, okay. Okay, eat na. Okay. Ayan, tapos na kayo kumain ng breakfast, si Holly hindi pa. And ako, ginagawa ko na ulit yung pagbabasa sa Instagram and sana pati sa YouTube para, ayun, para matapos na ako kasi dalawang tulog na lang magpaparaffle na tayo. So, yan ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Ayan. Nagbabasa ako ng mga comments and then dito rin sa sa YouTube. And yun, good luck. So sana matapos ko na yung sa Instagram tsaka sa YouTube today kasi ilang tulog na lang magpaparaffle na tayo. Ano? Ano? Mimi Santa Claus. Say Santa Claus. So, ayan, yan ang ginagawa ko ngayon sa matapos ko na. So, balik na muna ako sa trabaho ko. Change location kasi nalobat yung yung iPad. Oops, so wag kang aalis. Doon ka lang. Yan. And, dyan na kayo yung iba nandyan na. Time check is 12:40 na. Nag-start ako mga 8:45 or 9 o'clock. So, yan. Nasakay kami kasi brown out sa bahay. So, walang internet, walang ilaw, hindi kami pwede magluto. But, hindi naman ako nagluluto pag Saturday kasi pizza. Pero kanina, galing na si Jan sa town para bumili ng pizza. Kaso nga, brown out lahat. Pati doon sa town, walang ilaw. So, itry ulit namin kasi 6:30, 6 o'clock na. So, itry namin kung baka merong generator yung ibang restaurant and tingin kami kung makakuha kami ng dinner kasi hindi rin kami makaluto kasi electric yung linulutuan namin walang power, right Baba?
Yes.
Yes, sila nagbabike lang, and Sana matapos ko yung yung ginagawa ko. Hindi pa tapos kasi nga flat na yung pareho na flat yung aking laptop tsaka yung iPad. So, walang kuryente. So, sana mamaya mapagpatuloy ko yung pagbabasa at pagsusulat ng mga pangalan nyo doon sa foam na yun, yung may mga character ng Christmas character. So, yun, ingay ng mga bata. So, yun, update ko na lang kayo kung makakuha kami ng pagkain mamaya. Say, see ya, Holly!
See ya!
Picture, strap, Baba. No, your strap, your seatbelt. Fix it. Is it alright? Yeah? Okay. Say, see ya!
See ya! See ya!
Nakatulog na siya. Wala pa kami sa
No,
town.
I would never do that, Papa, anymore.
Antok na yung baba namin. Malamig pa rin. Gamit ko pa rin yung yung tawag nito, cardigans ba to? Ayan. So, nakatulog si Oni. Malamig pa. Kasi malamig pa. Hindi na umuulan. Kanina, oo. Umulan pa. Tapos may thunder kanina. Yung mga bata nasa labas. Takot na takot sila. So, yung nagsa-sound trip si John. Mamaya na naman. Ayan, dito na kami sa may KFC. Bukas na siya kasi kanina nung nag-order si John ng pizza dito sa town.
That's it.
Wala sarado kasi nga walang ilaw. Tapos pumunta siya dito kanina, wala rin. Shut yung mga yung ilaw, walang tao. Ngayon puno sila. Ayan yung drive-thru. Mahaba yung pila. Yung sa loob parang walang tao. Parang hindi sila nag-operate sa sa loob ata. Ayan, lahat nasa lang. Dito lang sa drive-thru. Ang haba ng pila. Hindi nyo na makita. Dear. Is it a lot? Sa?
Yes.
Ang haba na ng pila sa likod.
Yeah.
Ang dami ng
What's big?
dami ng
Doggy.
naghihintay. Ang dami na talagang ang haba. Parang lahat ng tao nasa KFC ngayon. Right, Zach?
Yes.
Kami na ang next.
I will be big.
One giant piece of large, extra large popcorn chicken.
Yep.
Thank you.
Is that big really bought?
This one?
Is that all?
That's everything.
There's lots of popcorn chicken in there, is it?
Yeah, it's in it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That.
Oh.
Oh
my
that's
God.
good.
Not. It's just heavy. Ayan na. Hala. Ayan. Giant fist daw tong tawag nito. Ayan na. Ayan ang kakainin natin mamaya. Yan yung sinasabi ko hanggang doon sa labas. Oh, 'di ba? Ang haba ng pila. Ayan, hanggang doon. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, hanggang doon. Good luck. Kami tapos na. Ang pangit na. Natawagan ni Jan yung KFC kasi kulang yung order namin. Wala yung ni Jan, ni Sak, wala yung popcorn chicken. Ayan, tinanong pa namin, sabi nandito raw, wala naman. And ang pangit ng
Good evening, Kate. Am I Nicole speaking?
Yeah, how you going? We just come through the drive-through and we're missing a
chicken back.
maxi popcorn. A large maxi popcorn.
Yeah. And you didn't receive it?
No, well, I asked the lady, is the popcorn in the bag? And she said yes. And then there's no popcorn in there at all.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. We're happy to replace that for you. Would you like to come back down now or next time you come in?
It'll be the next time because there's too many people there at the minute. We're halfway back to Port Mac now, so...
Yeah, no worries. What's your name?
John Howard.
And email. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. So next time, just give your name.
Full memory na yung ko. Tingnan mo, tulog na sila. Sinong kakain ng KFC? Bahay na kami and may ilaw na. Bumalik na yung power. And eto yung in-order namin. Kulang nga lang ng yung chicken popcorn. Sabi ni John, 18 nuggets daw to. Tapos, or 16 nuggets or Basta 15 pieces yung, hindi ko lang sure kung alin yung 15 tsaka 18 pieces. Basta ayan, ang daming nuggets and ang daming original. And ayan, may 3 chips dyan. And then yan yung mashed potato with gravy. And may Mountain Dew. So yan, kain na kami. Yung boys nakatulog sa car. And si Oli, ayun, nagagatas na siya. Nandun siya, oh. Ayan, nagkalat na naman sila. Linis ulit tayo bukas. So ayan, kain muna kami. Good afternoon today. Yeah, December 18th today. And i-congratulate ko lang yung mga nanalo kahapon. 4 po sila. And yeah, thank you for joining sa pamano-manong raffle natin. And sa mga hindi na nanalo, congratulations pa rin po kasi alam ko nag-effort din kayo and nag-effort din po kung isulat lahat ng pangalan nyo. Yun nga lang po, yung 4 lang po yung masuswerteng nanalo. So yun lang. And I know by the time na mapanood nyo itong vlog na to, na-receive nyo yung prize nyo. And may umakyat po dito sa table. Kasi favorite niya tong egg. Ayan, tanghali na. Magluluto ako ng eggs. Tapos, hoy, Papa, don't open. Wait lang, kunin ko lang to. Ayan, haluan ko siya na. Parang tortang corned beef yun. Yan ang easy lunch namin. Yung mga kuyas, nasa labas, naglalaro. Kasi bakasyon na. Wow, what? Can you see it? Very good ka talaga, Baba. Okay, and nakaluto. Don't drop it, ha? Don't drop, Papa. No. Oh my God. Oh my. No, Papa. Be careful. Oh my goodness. Hindi yan hard-boiled egg. Ay, nakaluto na. Okay. Nakaluto na ako ng kanin. And yan ang mga, ayan, umiiyak ng aking mga tupi. And yan ang gagawin ko after kong kumain. No, Baba. No. Okay. See. Okay, Mommy gonna cook now. I'm gonna cook your eggs, okay?
Mommy ate.
Yeah. And rice, okay? Say opo. Okay. So, unahin ko muna yung kay Holly.
Hi. Did you upset?
No, on the table. So, ayan, unahin ko muna, naglagay ako ng 4 na eggs, and naglagay din akong salt and pepper na ito yung Himalayan. Yeah, and then, tamad-tamaran luto to, hindi ako nag-iwan ng garlic. Ayan, garlic powder. Ay, naparami, masarap yan. And naparami yung garlic natin. Okay lang yan. And maglalagay ako ng onion powder. Oh, excuse me, Baba. Inaamoy niya. Hoy, alis ka dyan. Alis dyan. And maglalagay din ako ng konting vegeta. Siguro pinch lang. Oops. Alis ka nga, Baba. Ganyan lang. And maglalagay ako ng aking Worcestershire sauce. Konti lang. Alis dyan, Baba. Yan. Ganyan lang. And ayan, na-mix ko na. And maglalagay lang ako ng pinch of sugar. Baba, slowly ha. Tinuruan ko siya kung paano mag-mix kanina. Slowly only. Pinch of sugar. Konti lang. So, ayan. Akin na, Baba. Oh, no, Mami na.
Up, down.
Up and down. Good. Like this. Gusto niya, mahilig kasi siya mag-mix. Okay. Slowly. Okay. That's it. Very good. Good. Girl, sabi ko kasi up and down. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Mami gonna cook now. Okay? And ininit ko na yung yung kawali natin, yung wok. Oh, no. Gusto niya mag-pinch. Ayan, ready na siya. Nandiyan na yung kanyang silicone gloves. Akin na, no, you don't mix that, Baba. Akin na. Ayan, naglagay ako ng extra virgin olive oil. Ito yung Moro, yung gamit kong brand. And, ayan, na-melt na yung butter. Naglagay din tayong konting butter. So, yan. Yan lang yung aking, hindi siya scrambled eggs. Para siyang, tawag nun, pancake eggs. So, ayan. Init lang natin yan. Ayan, nagsisizzling na. Ha? Ayan, galing sila sa labas. Where have you been?
Playing with someone.
Playing with someone. May kaibigan sila sa,
Playing with my friend.
Playing with
Parker.
Parker. That's his name? Okay.
So what are we having?
I'm gonna cook this. Eggs and eto, mamaya ito yung tortang corned beef. Yes?
Is there something outside of it?
What?
Kind of? I'm gonna have an apple for lunch.
Philippines. The one you like.
Apple for lunch.
Apple for lunch. You can eat apple first. Okay na na. Ayan, galing sila sa labas. Naglaro sila. May kaibigan sila sa labas.
I say what it looks like.
You know what it looks like? Later pa, I'm gonna cook this egg first. Yeah. Ba, akala mo ang hirap. Ito lang pala yung ulam namin. So, ganyan lang. Yung lahat naman siguro marunong magluto nito. Wala lang kasi akong ma-vlog ngayon kasi wala namang ganap. Yes.
What's doing?
Gusto niya nang itra. Later, Baba. Don't touch. It's hot.
I want to die.
No. Put your shoes, love. Where's your shoes? Okay. That's right. Put on your leg. Alright. Good girl. Marunong siya magsapatos.
Not.
Yes, you can. Show them how you put your shoes. Don't. Yes, you can. Ang arty-arty mo. O, diba? Good girl. Wow. Good girl. Close it, Baba. Put the Velcro. This one. Attach this one there. Okay. I'll put the other one. Okay, attach. Okay. No. Come on, hurry up. That's it. Ah, alisin niya na naman. It's alright now. Hindi naman yan masikip pa, Holly. Okay, put the other one. Big girl na talaga ang baby ni Mommy. You don't need help. Yes, you can. Nag-arty-arty ka. Oh, put it there. Here. Or you're not going out if you don't know how to wear your shoes. Baka masikip na. Or nag-arty ka lang talaga. Bilis! Mommy is cooking. Hurry up. Hurry up. They're watching you. Come on. Okay, good girl. Wow, very good. High five. Okay, see ya. So, ayan, i-flip lang natin to na ganyan. Diba? Gustong-gusto ko tong kawali. Itong wok na to kasi since nung binili ko to, wala tong pahinga. Pag ako'y nagluluto siya, lagi ang aking ginagamit. So, ayan na. Ang laki niya, diba? Kasi gusto ko rin siya ipalaman sa sliced bread. Para mamaya, yan ang snack ng mga bata. With bacon lady's choice. Yung paborito ni Kuya. So, ayan. Luto na yung ating pancake eggs. Pancake eggs. So, yan. Tapos. So, ngayon naman lulutuin ko yung corned beef. Ito pa yung isang tamad-tamarang luto. Ayan, hindi nga. Wala tayong hindi ako nag-chop ng garlic. Ayan, konti lang na garlic. And onions. Masarap to may kamatis. So, wala akong kamatis. And, nakita nyo yan, malakas kami sa eggs. Eto, binili na to ni dyan sa general store dito malapit sa amin. Kasi wala na kaming eggs. So, ayan. And, yan lang. Tapos, konting salt and pepper. So, yan lang ang ating tortang, corned beef. Lagyan ko lang siyang salt and pepper. And, of course, hindi ito nawawala sa aking pagluluto ang aking pakurot na asukal. Ewan ko, parang sa akin kasi alam mo yun, yung parang dati diba sa Philippines laging may betchin, ganun. Pero hindi naman ako nagluluto nung nandun ako sa Philippines. Pero sila mama, gumagamit pa rin sila ng betchin hanggang ngayon. At saka masarap naman talaga. So sa akin, feeling ko yan ang aking betchin. Joke lang, oy. So ayan. Olive oil din ko to iluluto at saka butter. So, same lang. Kaso nga lang, ito may corn. Pero hindi ako naglagay ng Worcestershire. Mutang ko, may watermelon pala kami. Ito yung kasama ko si Jano na grocery. So, ayan. Hiwain natin yan para makain ng mga bata. Ito, challenging part to para sa akin. Kasi mabigat yung corned beef. Hindi ko alam kung mabubuo natin to. Try ko ha. Pero bibitawan ko muna kayo. Tingnan natin kung ma-accomplish ko na buo siya. Hahaha! I'm so proud of myself. Nagawa ko siya, guys. O, diba? Hindi yan sunog, ha? Yung corned beef kasi yan. Nag-explain. So, ayan, luto na siya. Ito yung ating bagong kanin. Ayan. Nabanggit ko na sa isa kong vlog na pag nagbibili ako ng watermelon na hindi buo, pagka ganito, kalahati, inaalis ko yung part na yan. Yan. Para ba, kasi dry siya eh. So, aalisin natin yan. At saka hindi rin natin alam kung malinis ba yung pinaghiwa ditong kutsilyo. Yan, ganyan. Aalisan natin siya ng konti. Wala lang. Shinare ko lang. Kasi hindi natin alam kung anong ginamit nilang kutsilyo. Malinis ba yun? Diba? So, sandali lang. Alisin natin yung dito sa both side. Ayan, dry kasi siya, diba? Ayan, konti lang naman ang inalis natin. Kasi pag tinodo natin, wala na tayong makakain yan. So, ayan. Ano to? Wala siyang seeds. Seedless ata itong nabili namin. Kasi wala siya yung mata-mata na itim. Ayan na yung ulam natin. Lahat torta. Tortang corned beef at saka pancake eggs. Pancake eggs. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. So, ayan. And dito ako nag-effort. Pinaganda ko talaga yung pagkakat ng aking watermelon. Baba! Do you wanna eat, Han? Hindi siya kakain talaga nito. How about you? Okay, alisin niya na yung shoes niya. Are you done? Where have you been? Where did you go? With who? Daddy and Kuya Chuck. Okay, where are they? Where's Kuya?
Food.
Where?
Food.
Where?
Food.
Food?
Food.
Where are they?
Food.
On the road.
Yeah.
Ah, sa road. Diba? Buti na naintindihan ko ni Mommy. With who?
Sila duck.
Kuya Chuck.
Duck.
With their friends. Okay, we're gonna eat. Nakain na kami. Ayan. Hinugasan ko yung kamay niya tapos tinali ko yung bukas ang Yeah, you wash your hands already. Tingnan mo. Not yet.
Hi guys. So what's chicken?
Hurry up na daw. Eto na yung food niya. Ano sasabihin kay Mommy? Yeah, there's eggs. What you gonna say to Mommy?
Yeah.
Hoy, what you gonna do first? You have to pray.
Okay. There's my
Sila kuya, mamaya na lang yun kasi naglalaro pa sila sa labas. So siya muna ang pakainin ko at saka ako. Okay, ayan, siya na lang muna. Okay? Bantayan niyo po siya ha. Yan ka lang ha, kuha si Mami ng food. Talk to them, Baba.
What's that?
Can you say, are you talking to them?
Yeah.
Talk what you're eating.
I'm eating.
What?
Did I eat this?
What?
Did I eating? I died.
Yes.
I died.
Are you full, Holly?
Lol.
Hindi po.
Never.
Tapos ka na? Hindi pa po. Wala namang tayong ganap. Right, Molly? Walang ganap tayo ngayon.
Ma, what is your egg?
Yeah, Mommy gonna eat too. Not just you. I cook because I strawberry as well, holy girl. Is it masarap? Habang kumakain ka. Oh, what happened? Oh, hindi siya na-charge. Manunod ako ng aking Korean drama. So, kayo na lang muna ni Holly. Right, Holly? Talk to them, Baba. Tell them what's this. Say, watermelon.
Vitamin and this.
Ayan, linagyan ko pa siya ng watermelon. Oh, pardon? Nag-burp siya. Sarap? Okay, okay. Tao na po talaga siya. Tingnan niyo, oh. Oh, yes. Ang lakas mo na kumain, oh. Uy, slowly. You want more watermelon? Hindi masyado yung kanin, oh. Pero yung egg, saka yung corned beef, tapos water, ha? Manners.
Please.
Ayan, pang-apat niya na yan na slice na watermelon or panlima. Kasi yung una, dalawa yun eh. At 3. Masarap?
Yeah.
Pardon? Okay, you're done. That's enough. That's enough. You had a lot. So, are you gonna eat all? Okay.
More beef.
Okay. Are you done?
No. I eat.
Malapit na, malapit na. Nanonood din siya ng eto. Itong pinapanood ko kasi may mga bata din.
Your turn.
My turn. Are you done? Finish? Okay. Drink water na. Here, drink your water. What you gonna say? Okay, drink. Hindi pa rin siya. Ayan, malapit na. I thought you're done. I thought you're done. What's watermelon? Are you stuck? Come on, drink your water, please. You're stuck? No, you're not. Water. Drink, please. Good girl. You done a good job, Baba. Hindi ka pa rin tapos.
I drink.
You drink, yes. I know you drink. Yan, nanonood din siya.
I drink.
Okay.
Hey, Jingle out.
What are you doing? Pakanta-kanta ka pa rin. Daddy, yes. Daddy said no outside. And why are you wearing your shoes? Why are you putting your shoes? To see Kuya. In fairness sa'yo, Holly, hindi baliktad yung yung shoes mo ngayon. Okay. Malulopat na ako. See ya. Tapos na siyang kumain, oh. Kiss. Kiss, hurry up. I love you.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.